listen to that and see what's been said on that call. That way you know how to talk to licensed agents if you run into those individuals.
Exactly.
Right.
So very good call to listen to.
So just listen to yourself. Kathy, anything on that?
Well, again, we want to listen to those because when you're talking to licensed agents, that terminology is different.
Mm-hmm.
It goes back to, we're not talking about memberships, things like that. They talk, policies, they talk coverage, so again, you want to make sure you educate yourself and plug in as much as possible before you talk to those licensed agents.
Perfect. And it teaches their language to use and folks. So just do a little bit more. There'll be one this week. Should be on the 2nd. I'm pretty sure. So just pop in and listen to it. They're very short, but that way you get an idea how to change your verbiage when you talk to those professionals, and maybe some tips on recruiting. So on the other side,